Hello, everybody. It's your boy. I'm finna show you what was in that right there. That's one of those outdoor antennas you see on Amazon. It's supposed to be a pretty powerful outdoor, and guess what's in it? This particular board. And I'm finna use this board into this thing, which is pretty funny looking, right? But it's gonna be a better antenna. And I'm finna tell you how what wires is what, on this board. Apparently, right here is the power button. I mean, not power button. I mean, power LED. And this right here is probably a chip to control the UHF signal, which goes out this wire. And that the get this, there it is, VHF control chip or whatever goes out. If I can get this out of the wire here, goes out these two. And these two right here ran outside the part that lets the antenna turn. And that's probably what's inside of that antenna, the one you probably seen. Like, it's like I was trying to improve this antenna and it fell off my siding before. I tried to make it better, but you know how it is. Things get crazy, right? And that's the cord that came along with the antenna right there on the floor. This little white, ugly looking thing. Like I said, I'm going to turn this board and put it into this. And I did have this damn thing looking pretty gigantic. Alright, y'all. This is goodbye, and smash the like button if you can.